So in this video, we will discuss about the MySQL joins, what is joins and how it works with the MySQL. So basically, MySQL supports inner join, left join, right join, or normal, that is a cross join, and self join. And apart from it, through by our own logic, we can also implement full outer join. And yeah, for understanding it, let's jump into the word file. First, we understand how it internally works. Then we will understand about how to write its query. Okay, so first of all, it's very easy to understand joins through a mathematical way. Okay, so first of all, we have created two tables, table 1, table 2. So inside table 1, you can see that I have stored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and inside table 2, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. So inner join result will be that you can see that the main purpose of the inner join, that it will give the common data. So here you can see that it has 1, 2, 3 common in both table. That's why it has given in the result of inner join. So for understanding it, let's jump into MySQL workbench and write its query. So basically before this we have to generate one database. We know that we will work with the database, and then we use, and we have created two table, customers and orders. So first of all, let's understand what inside customer and what is inside the orders. So first of all, in customer, so here you can see that inside the customer we have stored around 5 data, and here you can see that, and it's customer name and city. And inside the order, I have given the customer ID that is connected with the customers through the foreign key concept. Okay, and order ID, product ID, and quantity in the order table. The main purpose of if we want that all the customers, all the orders that connect with the previous customer ID. Previous customer ID means all the customers that contains ID. So basically here you can see the inside the order we have ordered 1, 2, 4. These customer ID order has many ordered, while 3 and 5 customer ID there is no any kind of order. So we want all the customers that has ordered, and remaining that has not ordered, so it will not generate. It is because inner join works with the common data. So 1, 2, 4 is also inside the orders table, and 1, 2, 4 also inside the customers table, while in the customer 4, 2 and 3 and 5 also, but we will get only a similar or a common data. So select, we want all data, select start from customers, inner join orders. So customer tables dot customer id equal orders dot customer id. So what mistakes we have done? On. Basically the main purpose of on, first of all, understand its syntax, how its syntax works. So basically, first of all, select start from, we know how it works. Then inner join, for inner join we are here to perform inner join. Then on. So this is a left, customer is a left table, orders is a right table. There is a keyword on. After the on, we will give some condition. Based on this, we will inner join our data. So that's control enter. Here you have, we can see that it has only generated the customer ID 1, 2, 4, not 3 and 5. While in the order it is already contain 1 to 4. So 3 and 5 it has not generated. It is because here you can see that it has not generated 4, 5 or 6, 7. It has only generated 1, 2, 3. Similar here, for 3 and 5 customer ID has not ordered any kind of thing. That's why. Okay. So I think it's enough to understand inner join. Let's jump into outer join. So basically inside the outer join, here you can see that we have again taken two table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. So basically first of all we will get similar data or a common data 1, 2, 3, and remaining 4, 5 are different, 6, 7 different in table 1 and table 2. So the main purpose of the result of outer join to represent all data that not present in the inner join or common. So 4, 5 and 6, 7. These are the outer join data. Okay. So before that, in MySQL, we will write left join and right join. So left join, we know that 1, 2, 3, it will always generate left table data and common data as well. 4, 5, it's a left table, only contains left table, and 1, 2, 3, that both table contains. So in the left join, we will get 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. So here one question arises that inside the table one, basically we want only in left hand only a table one data. So why should we need to use table two? It is because in the previous inner join we have taken customer and orders ID joins by using inner join. So the main purpose of the left join to get the data that contains both. Both means common. So through the customer ID, we can get all its orders. We will not get remaining that 4 5 orders data. It is because they have not ordered anything. That's why. So the main purpose of the joins to add multiple tables so we can get all data about the tables. Okay. So let's go and write the left join query. So first of all, inside the left join, again it's syntax also similar like the inner join, but we have to only write left join on customers dot customer id equal orders dot customer id. So basically customer id is common in both columns, so through this way we can easily perform operation, because for the join I believe that in both tables will be the same column, so it will be very easy to understand and write the actual logic. So here you can see that after it we will control enter. So yeah, here you can see that it has not given the 4 and 5 customer ID order. Yeah, sorry, 3 and 5 customer order ID. 3 and 5. While it has given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is because order table contains 1, 2, 4 order ID, a customer ID. That's why. So I think you have understood. And let's jump into the right join. So similar like the left join, there is a right join that will give the common data and the right table data that not contains in the left table. So inside the left join, this table performs as a left join, a left table, and this table also performs as a sorry, right table. So again here it will again perform same things, right join orders. So this table works as a left table, and this table works as a right table. So on here we will give the condition on which condition we want to connect. So customers dot customers id equal orders dot customer id. Okay, and then perform control enter. Here you can see that inside the customer 1 2 4 it has not given 3 5, while in the previous data in left hand we can see that it has given the 4 5 3 and 5 as well, 3 and 5 in the left join, while in the right join there is no any 3 and 5. Here you can see that it has given only this data. There is not any 3 and 5 customer ID. While here you can see that it has all contains all customer ID that already present in the customer table. It has not given or more data. So in left hand we will understand that it has generated 102, 105. Okay, 101, 102, 103. It has not given, and 105. So the main thing, 3 is null for the customer ID. There is no any order for the 3 customers, and 5 customer has not already any order. But in right join here you can see that it has not given 3 and 5. It is because it has checked all the customers or all the orders that has ordered by the customers. So you can see that 3 and 5 has not ordered anything. That's why it has given all the things that present in the left table, sorry, right table. It's a right join. So again its table work as a left join, left table it works as a right table. So I think you can understand by it's as well. And after it there is a self join, so let's jump into the self join. So basically for the self join we basically use one table, and I we will connect one table from same table, not any other table. That's why here you can see that this employee table is connected with this employees table. Both has employee ID, name ID, manager ID, employee ID, name ID. Here is a not a manager, it's a manager ID. Okay, so the main purpose of the self join to find the data by using its own existing data. For example, here you can see that employee ID 1, that's name Li, and its manager ID 1. It means Li is an employee, but it's also a manager because manager ID is similar with the employee ID. Manager ID basically refers to the employee ID. This manager ID refers to this employee ID. That's why. And for the employee ID 2, that's name is Bob, and its manager ID 1. It means the employee Bob, its manager is Alice. So by this we cannot easily get the Alice is a its manager ID. For two name we can easily get, but for the large data how we can get? That's why self join is plays a very vital role. And then after for employee ID 3, this name is Charlie, it is an employee but its manager is Alice. So for getting the manager, for example, we want to get we want data that contains employee name and manager name. So how we can get? So for understanding, let's understand self join. So basically in the MySQL for understanding join, there is just only a for using self join, there is join that here we will use select for example okay. So before that we will understand, we have created one table that is you can see that employee. So inside the employee, we have generated SAM table that we have understand in Word file. Control enter. It has already, because I have generated it and I have already filled its data. So we have taken two: employee ID, employee name, and manager ID. So manager ID always refers to the this employee ID. So for understanding it, let's select uh, employee E1. We will take E1 dot empid E2 dot manager ID from employee employees E1 join. Here we can use self inner join, left join, outer join, whatever you want. So I have used join employees E2, okay, E2, and then on E1 dot manager ID equal E2 dot employee ID. So I think you have understood that first of all, imp ID, manager ID. It's a imp ID and E2 dot manager ID. It's a imp ID. Yeah. So control enter. It has given two. So basically here we can take it as a imp name. So we can easily get the data. Imp, yeah, employee name. So how it works? So basically we will take it as an employee, and we will take this as a manager. Control enter. After this, what we have done here, we have taken John, that's a CEO, so it's not it has not any manager ID, but for the Ravi it has one manager. It means for two ID, two employee ID, its manager is John. In our output we can see that for the Ravi employee, its manager is John. So yeah, by using self-join we can easily understand it. Then for the Sita, that is an employee but its manager is Ravi. So here you can see that for the employee Sita, there is manager Ravi. So I think you have understood how we can perform self-join. So through self-join, I have explained all the things that how it works with the similar table to get the data. Basically, for discrimination, employee name and manager name, we have used the self join. Okay. And yeah, I think we have covered most of the topics. And apart from it, there is, out a full join, full outer join. So for performing it, or a cross join. So let's understand cross join. So for the cross join, we will basically enter customers uh, join, normal join that works with the as a cross join. Yeah, here you can see that it's a cross join. Basically, it will always make the one to many, many to many relation, many to many. It is because from one first table, all data connects with the second table first, and then second table first data connect with all the second table data. For example, in first table there is 1, 2, 3, and in second table there is 2, 4, 5. So how it works, cross join will give us 1, 2, first table, this will connect with all of this. So 1, 2, 1, 4, and again 1, 5. And then after it will again, this will 2 with connect with this 3, 2, 4, 5, and this 3 connect with this. So it will be 2, 2, and 2, 4, and 2, 5, and 3, 2. This will works. So I think you have understood, and in further video we will discuss full left outer outer part of the join. So I think it's enough in this video. Thank you.